Feast your eyes on this. Only 999 units globally. Let's check out Julycode's limited edition smart cabinet. One touch lifts the screen when you're ready to watch, and it hides seamlessly when not in use. Your living room instantly turns clean and spacious. Total bliss for neat freaks. Even better, built-in high-fidelity speakers deliver surround sound that rivals movie theaters, making binge-watching or blockbusters feel epic. Plus, there's a 3D fireplace cabinet option. Team Limited Edition Cinema or Team Ambience-Packed Fireplace? Drop a comment and let us know.